It's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade for a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.